I turned it on right as you did that.
Ah!
So that was actually perfect.
Oh, excellent.
Hello, Potters. How are you today? Today is me and Lindsay's Link Day. As you know, once a year we usually get together to smash all of our failure pots. But of course, Lindsay's mom came at the last second.
I know. It's like, these are so wonderful. I just can't let them go.
She's stealing all the ones she doesn't want to break before we break them.
I love this like red and black together. It's nice.
Oh, that color inside.
No.
Beautiful.
That's just purple.
That's mauve.
Mauve bad.
It's mauve. Beautiful. Oh my gosh. This is going to break people's hearts.
Yeah, they can get, you know what? Smash the like button if you want me to save some of these pots.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. I know. That feels so good in my hand. Right?
That's what she said.
Well, that's
Oh my God.
We have a very large box
And
of
I have
stuff here.
I have one that's just as big.
That
If
I've
not
actually
bigger.
already gone through.
We'll be right back once they're done going through the pots and saving the ones that we're not gonna smash, I guess. But we smashing both of these.
Help me! I'm being held against my will. My address is 123 help!
We gotta destroy Lindsay's pots too.
All right, so we have set up our ritual circle of destruction. It will hopefully contain some of the shards that we will have. This will be soon very full. Also, if you ever need to summon me, just set this up and give me like some coffee and some boba
And a notebook.
and a notebook.
Yeah.
And you'll summon me to your studio. So
Yeah.
use this information wisely.
And like a yaoi book.
Yowie book.
Yaoi book. So what we're gonna do for the benefit of the video itself is we're gonna take out a couple of pots and explain to you why we hate them and why we're chucking them, and then you're gonna complain down in the comments below, like you always do, because you're gonna do it no matter what.
Yeah.
Oh my God, I would have loved that one. Oh my God, oh my God, Chipotle. Oh, I
As
love
Donte
Chipotle
always
is my
says.
life.
And then we're gonna smash them.
Yeah.
Unless you click all the buttons fast enough. If
I
if I see enough
if you-
likes on the video, I might save them.
If you can time travel fast enough to make that happen, then
Yeah,
yes.
to
yeah.
Wally West it
Yeah,
over here.
Exactly. All right, so this is one of the last pieces of the House Atreides mugs that I made. House Atreides is, of course, from Dune, and the reason I'm tossing this is because of the few that I made, this one had like the shape that I liked the least. Also, when I applied the underglaze, I kind of messed up. There's a little bit of a crack here, and honestly, this was ended up not being a very popular design. So I'm like, meh, I'm just gonna.
I think I'm gonna speed run mine real quick.
Yeah, do
Give me
it.
a little speed run.
Yeah.
No explanation. This one, bad.
Another
This one, bad.
Another one.
Bad. Bad.
Another one.
That one right there, once upon a time, it
Another
was a
one.
glaze that I was a bad. Oh, I don't think I meant to break this one, actually.
Seriously?
Yeah, that was a good one.
No, Donte.
No, it's too bad, so sad now.
There you go.
Oh, it's blue on the inside.
Look at that. You can really see like the trimming very like easily on this. You can almost see like the little striations too in the clay.
I tried to make it a bit thicker because I was like, well, these gotta last, right?
Thick boy.
Plus, it's a tank mug, so.
Yeah. Older design from Inside Coffee Roasters. Love it. But I also, the underglaze, or the iron oxide didn't turn out the way it was supposed to, so it's bad. All right, so this is one that got thoroughly messed up in the glaze firing. I thought it'd be an interesting idea to see if I could fire these like upside down since there wasn't any glaze on the rim, but I don't know if it's because I fast fired these in the bisque firing or if just firing them upside down in a glaze firing is just a bad idea. But either way, it's bad.
This one here was a pink crystal glaze I tried to develop, but I think I had too much glass inside the recipe. So, also I did bump it. I did bump it in the kiln, that's why it looks like that.
This is a super old design from the Fate series, if any of y'all are anime people, which I'm assuming you are. Yeah, but I didn't like how it turned out. I was like, oh, I'll make it look like, I don't know, rusticated or something, and I feel like it just kind of ended up looking up sloppy. Also, people just didn't recognize the symbol, so it's bad.
Combo breaker. Ha!
Dang, that other one doesn't give a All right, so before I changed the hydrometer and specific gravity of this glaze, I had a lot of pieces like this where the glaze would run and stick to the kiln shelf, and now I'm finally clearing them out of my studio because they're bad. So there are definitely some pieces that I'm keeping because they are old, but they are also kind of indicative of a various like learning stage that I was in. Like for instance, this is part of a series that I was doing when I was like, what if I just don't trim the bottoms? And then I was like, actually, I kind of like trimming the bottoms.
Yeah, that's where I put my symbol at.
Yeah, now it is for me too.
It straight up has a hole in it, really.
How did that happen?
I carved way too deep.
Oh my god.
Way too deep.
Oh.
Here's a water better symbol.
Oh, that's cool.
It's not a water bender, it's a water better symbol. Because it's so messed up.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Lindsay, I don't feel so good.
Yeah. Oh! Oh, Donte.
Great, it's just some random guy.
No, it's fine. I'm lactose intolerant. I just drank some mommy milkers, and that's what happens.
I save when I get my breast reduction. What can I say? Sometimes it just gets real hot, and I go, oh man.
Oh, dang.
Stop! Yeah!
This one kind of nice.
Give us another one!
Lindsay's mom brought us a thing of watermelon.
Enjoy.
Thank you, Mom.
Because it do be hot out here. That's nice she gave us forks.
I know, right?
I'm not using the fork. This one right here is actually a destiny symbol that I made for a friend of mine, but I didn't like how like crusty the cracks were, and I did it with the wrong clay, so some of the brown clay slipped through the clay body that I was trying to make. This is an amalgamation of different clay bodies.
Yeah.
And I was like, no, I can't give him this. This is trash. It is a nice mug. It is a nice handle, nice shape, nice. It's just this little bit right here ruined the whole pot. That. What just happened? Can I ask you that? Can I ask what just happened?
It's gonna be a mystery for the rest of our days.
Oh.
Man.
Remember, we unsubscribed from our Netflix because all the writers strikes and they're not getting paid.
This is what we do. And for entertainment.
Yep. This happens. This happens when I don't have my writers paid, people.
Yeah. Support the strike. Support the writers' strike. Support the actors' strike. Unions gave us weekends. Unions gave us better child protection laws. Yeah.
And they also gave us Gen Z. Anti-union now. This here is my Ron Roy's High Gloss Black along with my Crystal Glaze. It turned out pretty good. Actually, I made a set of them. So I have two of them. I don't quite remember. Oh, I remember now. The bottom is cracked, number one. And number two, it's not really Ron Roy's High Gloss Black. It's another glaze that didn't turn out the color it was supposed to be. So it gets destroyed. Get in there with your brother.
All right, hey Donte, wait,
hot.
what are you doing?
It's hot. It's too hot.
Okay,
No, it's
but
too
what
hot.
are you gonna do?
I'm not doing all this. It's too hot.
Okay, all
Too
right.
hot. It's too hot. No. We're done. We're done. It's 117 outside. No. Not being saved. No, especially not you. No. In my generation, back in my day, we put lead in our glazes and it made the food taste better and we liked it. Okay? I don't know what's wrong with your generation with your unions and PPE.
Oh my God.
You shut up, you get back in
Oh
the
my
factory,
God.
you get back to work.
Okay, boomer.
Okay. I might have had cold brew before this.
Yeah, we kind of both.
Yeah, we
did.
definitely had cold brew.
Yeah, we did cool. Yeah.
Click the like button, and maybe next time this won't happen. This is honestly your fault. If you think about it.
How's that for a guilt trip?
How's that? This is your fault, and the only way to stop it is by clicking the. I don't make the rules. I just enforce them. I made up the rules.
Thank you for your patronage.